Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing evelynboutique.com. Now as you can see, we have it here pulled up on the website. And if you don't know what this website is, they basically sell women's apparel for huge discounts, and as you can see, up to 80% of selected sandals. And if you actually head on over here, show this, and they take you to this site and give you a lot of different pictures, varying different pictures, which is obviously from different websites from themselves, and they do not sell these since, as you can see, it's pretty low quality. I don't know if you can see it, but the pictures are low quality. They just pasted it on there. They didn't even try. So if you go on over here to Trustpilot and see the reviews, they're actually rated 2.8 out of 5 stars. However, there are now 3 reviews, and all those 3 reviews are 1 star. I don't know why they are rated 2.8. And as you can see, the 3 people that review this saying that there's a scam, since the scam business product advertised is not the product delivered. Do your research on this company. I ordered this something in the beginning of April, and as of May 19th, I still haven't received it. So yeah, from the 3 people that reviewed it, all of them said that this is a scam. So please do not buy anything from this website, since they're more than likely a scam, since it's too good to be true to buy anything from this website. And if you head on over here to Scam Advisor, they actually rated 1 out of 100, since they are a scam. So yeah, please do not use this website. It is a scam and it is not real. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.